All right, and my mic is on this time. Hello, everyone. My name is Kadeen, and today is the 22nd of May. Um, literally, I'm getting to the charts late. Like, I literally just got to the charts. It's in the bathroom. Um, but anyway, I didn't get a chance to look at the charts. Now we're looking at charts. Both ES and MNQ look horrible, so I'm looking at gold instantaneously. It's so cold. Another banger. Plenty money. I don't make no fight at all. I don't make no fight at all. There is nothing going on. Should I trade Forex? Let's see what's going on there. Should I trade Forex? I mean, honestly, right? Like, we got this John right here, breakout structure. This is JJ breakout structure. Stepped into that zone. Oh, what a shame. Could have called if I seen it. That's so fucking clean, man. Anyway, I don't know why. I don't know. Let's check the 1 hour. Let's check the 1 hour. Alright, so we're close to thinking for okay. So we're like, let me look back on. So we're at like the bottom of the pit. We're at like bikini bottom. Price has a huge uptrend type job. Like this is where we at. I mean, this is we on the daily right now, but this is literally like what happened. Remember when everybody was so scared? I'm sorry. Remember when everybody, the regular people, was so scared? But yeah, first of all the day traders was just like sell, 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 sell. We were just selling, bro. Oh, remember this time? And my portfolio. When everybody was selling, bro, I was buying that shit up, bro. I was buying that shit up. Now everybody be like, "Oh, all right, let me buy it back in." I thought we was dropping like dickheads. But I mean, thank you, cause I really appreciate that. But we'll see what happens on the weekly. We're tapped into a weekly supply zone, so let's get crazy. Let's see where that is. That ends here. Oh, you should go that far, but alright. Okay. So we just broke all of this structure. Um, price seems like it rejected off of that 1 hour 200 EMA. I think I'm looking at is the fact that the 50 and the thing are there, but the 200 1 hour 200 is there. Prices rejected off of the 4 hour 50 EMA. So honestly, I'm a little bit more bullish in this than I would think I would be. Definitely want to see some breaking of structure, dude. And in this case, I want to see breaking of structure like that, dog. For real. Let's check MNQ. I mean, let's check gold. For gold skis on the 1 hour skis, let's pan out. Let's do for okay, so we just like what the fuck? Sometimes you just gotta go to the forex chart. Okay, so it's down, 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 down. Now we're up. We've broken all of this structure, this structure. We haven't broken this structure, but it looks like price is coming down to possibly fill in these gaps because it broke this structure point right here. So I'm just wondering if it's gonna break. Oh, it's already broke past this. It's already broke past this, but this is a key area for price. If we're above, we're buying. If we're below this, then I would be looking for some sells. So on a 15-minute, I mean, it's honestly hard to say, right? Everything makes sense until it doesn't. Right now, we are bearish. But I just want to make sure, are we like coming into like a gap or anything? Like we could possibly be going down to fill in all those gaps. Hard to say, you know. Sometimes you'll see price breaking structure like this, and you're like, oh yeah, we're going down, and then it'll start finessing you, and you're like, oh, well, never mind. So yeah, I have this key level right here. I'm looking at. Curious to see what that would do. I'm gonna put the alert. I'm gonna put an alerty. We have been, but we broken literally like all the structure right here. So if price comes down, let me check the 15. Price comes down. I want to see what it's talking about. Let me check the 1 hour because we have all the gaps right there. So I'm just, man, we're looking. I don't know what's gonna happen. Hold on. Bum, 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 bum. I'ma make you fight it. I'ma make you fight it. And the same thing applies. Like, I'm not looking at anything from these MNQ or MES until they break the highest point, because we're ranging. So I need to see if you're serious. I need to see MNQ looking like, yeah, I'm serious, man. Pay attention to me, man. I'm serious, man. I'm serious about my life. Put a lot above that, yeah. Put an alert above that. I would only be looking at that as a serious thing unless price comes out, breaks past this, because this move right here created a demand zone. But if we're in this area, I don't give a trucker. I don't give a trucker. I don't give a trucker, man. And another thing that I do see here is that we do have a low, high probability support zone right here. That's on the 5-minute, and we also have it on the 15-minute. Price is yet to tap into it. Check the 1 hour on it. There is no gap. Price has already filled that in, but there's a huge gap right here. As of right now, price has gone lower, broken structure. So it's like one of those things. It's like price is definitely broken structure. Um, let me go back to this point right here and see what went down here. So this is it. This. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, it just blew past these. I was just like, is there anything you want to share with the class? Anything we could like pick up and be like, oh, any retracement levels? No, it just shot up. Let me see. Is there a 1 hour like zone? Like, what did it tap into to make it do this? Okay, well, it tapped into a fair value gap, so that could be the answer. Check if there's any fair value gaps here. Not. What did we tap into anything? Actually, hold on. This is so that was a fair value gap price tapped into. Then we got another fair value gap that price is tapped into, rejecting from. So I'm bullish on MNQ. Okay, price is tapped into. Sorry, tapped into. Price is broken that structure point. So um. That's gold. See, can I get a hot tub? Bum, 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 bum. Yeah, we got gaps up here. Just trying to see price. Oh, and we had this huge gap that price filled in here, but price is never broken, has yet to break the structure. This is on the 1 hour. So it's like, I'm leaving today, 'cause I gotta do what's best for me. You'll be okay. I got to move on and be who I am. I just don't belong here. I hope you understand. We might find our place in this world someday, but I need for now. I gotta go. What about us? What about everything we've been through? Hey, what about trust? You know I never want to hurt you. Hey, what about me? What am I supposed to do? I gotta leave behind this room. So got to move on and be who I am. What about us? Just don't belong here. I hope you wanna try to understand. Yeah, I'm there, but I need for now. I gotta go my own way. I need, yeah, I'm mainly looking at MNQing gold skis. MNQing gold skis. The only thing about gold skis that I'm like, is that we are low into the setup. We are low into the setup, but we just broke in structure, like more structure to the downside with the setup. So it's like, like it's like a little, oh my god. But you know what? You gotta have faith. Is that a high probability demand zone? Hold on. I mean supply zone. Hold on. What's going on? Okay. Well, I've gotten some great confirmations, baby. It's a high probability demand zone. 4 hour. I mean supply zone. Sorry. So let's see what price. So no wonder this thing is just taking off. But that's the thing. I'm just like, it's taking off. Like back at like 2 a.m. This is London session. I don't want to come into New York session saying, yeah, it's gonna be the same. Yeah. Like I don't want to be that dickhead. Like I just don't, bro. All right. So we got something on MNQ right here, yeah. I'm looking at this. I'm like, it's looking quite nice in quotes. Let's see what price wants to do. We got a little bit over 2 minutes left onto this candle. And as I say this, gold is setting up too. See, these people is wild. Let's see what MNQ does, because I'm looking at MNQ because gold is a little bit late, but honestly, a setup is a setup. Losing is losing. I'm so tired of being fearful of losing, to be honest. Like I'm so like fucking over it. But here's the thing, like if I get in a setup today, a trade today, best believe I will be nervous. Okay, don't let the words fool you. I will be nervous, but I refuse to let them overcome me. I refuse to let them think, to let me think that, oh, me not following my rules, me just FOMOing into a trade, me like being afraid of losing. It's okay. It's okay. Like, wow, yes, it's a normal feeling. I'm not gonna let these niggas take control of me. What the fuck? Bro, they don't take control of my entire life for decades, bro. We done, bro. It's a dub, bro. That shit chuck. If I tell you, say I love you, my money, my body, now your awesome, baby. 30 billion for the account, Versace and Gucci for your body, oh baby. Hey, some people might be scared about this. Me, I'm just like, what we about to do? How the next candle look like? Cause I highly doubt that the next candle is gonna come in here, form, and break this big ass candle. So let's see what it do. What it do? Let's see what it do. What it do? And then something you also gotta check. Well, something that I want to check. Cause you know how they be finessing, bro. All right, let's check where this John at. I'm just making sure it's not tapping into no No high probability demand zone, huh? No, no. Oh, if I just, I mean, it's kind of tapping into this fair value gap, but this fair value gap is huge. So I don't even, you know what? Like, let's just see what it do. It hasn't even tapped into the zone. It hasn't tapped into my zone. I didn't want to paint it this big ass rejection. Like, I want to give it where the candles have been. And, if it don't, then it don't. Because we do have other areas. Like, we do have areas like right here. I can mark that up. Yeah, area. Blah. So we have stuff like that. But it didn't tap into my zone. So I'm though I know nigga didn't tap into my zone. So I'm not pressed. I'm not impressed. Excuse me. Although I'm just like, what if it leaves without me? Then so be it. That shit is hot anyway. If it don't tap into my area, if it don't mess with my niggas, then shit, I don't care, man. I don't care, man. I mean, I do care because it's like, I want some money. But, hey, that joint's a little too low. Too big and deep into that zone, though. You sure you know what you're doing? You sure you. If anything, at this point, it's just like, bruh, you better not grow. Bro, listen, listen. I'm just like, dude. Oh, oh. I might be looking at something that's a little bit out of my reach, to be honest. I think this is gonna stop. Like, this is not gonna hit. Because I'm just like, oh, it's just tapped into that 15-minute supply. And it showed. Oh, it most certainly showed. Now I'm like, damn, should I be flexible? Now I'm like, damn. And it looks so good. We got less than 3 minutes left. Just do a little, just do a little, Am I afraid of it? Like, yeah, I am. I am. But, I still gotta believe in myself and I gotta believe that I'm on the right path. So if it leaves me, man, that's okay. I'm gonna make you fight. I don't trust it. I'm gonna keep it up. Like, listen, I like exhaustion bars, but I like exhaustion bars when they sit and hit right there or in the beginning. Like, this is deep. Like, bro, we only got a little bit of this. Like, who about to make me be like, yeah, this is a good idea? I am afraid. Let's mark this up. So we do have a gap. We did break structure. We have no candles closed into the zone. Mark 50 EMA lined up. The 50 EMA is cutting in the middle, bro. Cutting it, I would say so. And then do we have a 1 hour confluence? Like, does it look bullish? No, it doesn't. It really does not look bullish at all. So should we switch our bias? I was feeling like it was bullish just based off of the price structure, but like, bro, it does not look like a good idea for me to be doing this. It with what I have. Okay, we do have breaker structure. We don't have the 50 EMA lined up. Like, really? Okay, I forgot. Okay, I'm making an announcement. This is the first time I ever said it. I'm only taking B setups and up. I'm not taking 70, 75. And I think if I give it that, that's what this is. I'm not taking the setup if it gives break of the candle because I've been back testing my whole trading plan And bruh, I just been seeing some mad wins on my setups. Not to say that this can't win, but I've just been seeing some mad setups on 80 to like 85 plus on my trades, like crazy. Like I think my win rate as of right now, and this is based off of only 88 trades, so it's not a lot of data, but it's like even with that small amount, bro, it's looking good, bro. I have a okay, so with B like 80% in up setups, I have a 66% win rate, and then with just like 85 in up setups, I have a 70% win rate. So like well, I've had 61 trades that had that 85 and up setup, and I think I have like 43 of those won. Yeah. And then let's see, I have 20 trades. Out of 20 trades, I've won 11 in the 80s. So I'm not gonna take this could very well go and strike and strike a pose and just be awesome. And I'll be like, no, why didn't I take it? I should have took it. But it's just like there would be other setups. I'm not tripping over this shit, bro. I'm not tripping, bro. I'm literally I don't want to say I'm fixed because yeah, it does suck because I was literally looking at this setup, thought about it, and I was just like, damn, I'm not about to take it. That's crazy, right? But I believe in my trading plan. I believe in myself most importantly, and I know that there will be more trades to take. Like I'm not gonna be butthurt because I didn't take a trade. I'm not gonna do that anymore. I'm not. No, no, I'm just not because I'm in this for the long term. So if this shit don't happen for me, nigga, then it's just like okay, bro. Okay, okay. Like the fuck, like what I finna do? Okay, so we do have this set up. So yeah, look like it's about to be a good setup for the guys. So let's mark that up for the one time. Because old me today, old like well, before this week, like last week, I would have taken this for sure, sees. I would have taken this. We'd be aiming for at least a 1-to-1 skis. So let me do that. Put that up there for the people who took it. If anybody took, no, somebody took that. Somebody in the world took it. Somebody in the world, all around the world, people want to be loved. Hey. Yeah, yeah. You know what's so funny? It's like I definitely do be forgetting that I'm recording myself. Like I know I'm recording myself, but it's like damn, this is really about to be on YouTube. Actually insane. Actually ridiculous. And yes, if I'm gonna be honest with myself, I don't want this setup to win, bro. Like I literally don't. Like let's be honest, let's be real. I'm passing up on a setup that I would have taken last week, but because of me becoming more disciplined, me understanding that, bro, I'm gonna be doing this full time, okay? Why would I settle for C's when I know damn well all throughout my life, well, I can't say that, from high school and up, because I wasn't that best good of a student in middle school. Like I was getting like, if I got a C, I was happy. I was happy. I was happy if I was getting a C. If back in middle school, because I was getting D's, bro. Like in like math or science, like C's and D. Like yeah, barely passing tests in middle school, but then I got to high school and I literally just fucking like took off. Like it was actually surprising to me. Like people probably thought like at my high school, they probably oh, excuse me. They probably thought I was like smart all throughout my life. Girl, no. Girl, no. I was getting C's. There was one time in a semester, whatever they used to call it in middle school, I had an F on my report card, bro. Like it was that bad. Like at one point, and then seventh and eighth grade, like that's when shit started to turn around for me. I don't know what happened. I have no idea what happened, but it did. it started to turn around for me. I literally was thinking, this is how you know self-doubt is like a crazy ass thing, because I was literally like, because we had these PSSAs, just basically the state tests, and I just remember taking them, and this is when I'm like insecure about me. Like I was all insecure all throughout middle school, but just like just testing and being good and smart, and like I took the state test in my seventh, eighth grade year, and I literally got a proficient and advanced, and I was like, I swear to you, the first things I was thinking, did my teacher cheat for me or cheat for us? Like, did she cheat? Because it was like I've never scored. Ooh, okay, because I ain't gonna lie, I zoned out and I totally forgot about gold and MES and I should be taking this setup on MNQ or MES. Damn it. See, this is why you have to pay attention to everything, bro. I'm getting so distracted with story time. I'm not even, like, I can't even tell you the story. Alright, so I might have just missed a trade. I literally might have just missed a good ass trade. Womp womp. I feel like that's gonna hit TP, like, easy. Low key, like, low key, maybe high key. I've been peeped that you like me, and oh, I mean, yeah, all around the world, yeah, all the pretty girls in the world, and I'm in this space with you, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, 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 yeah, 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 yeah. All right, what was I saying? As of right now, I'm currently kind of butthurt because it was like, damn, like I should have took. Well, I can't say I should have took this supply because I would not take a supply like this. First of all, don't play with me now. Don't play with me, child. First of all, I play with my child. You know, I give it a go. I get it. Inside. Never will be in the help. I said, like, whoa, I don't know, baby, you know what I speak. You know what I beat. You know what I tell me that back. You know where I leak. Oh, so I don't. Man. Anyway, what was I saying? Middle school. Middle school. Not feeling smart enough. Oh my god. Yeah, man. Not feeling smart enough in school. Thinking my teacher cheated on those PSSAs for me, just so I can get into a good high school. To this day, I still kind of think it, because it was like, there's no fucking way I got a proficient and advanced in stuff that I was really not that good at previously. Now, just all of a sudden, I just pass in the year where it mattered the most. That's sus to me. But anyway, maybe my clutch genes was like, we got to do this, bruh. But that didn't even matter because I ended up going to some ghetto ass high school anyway, so it didn't matter. Gosh damn it. Anyway, it's all good, man. I just feel so happy. I mean, this hasn't stopped you out yet. Nope. Never mind. But like, y'all, let's go. I mean, now let's go for the people who took this trade. I mean, but just like, let's go for me. Stick it to my plan, and it saved me losing a trade in real life. Let's go. I'm proud of you, Keith. Let's go. Happy dance. We will. We will for them niggas. We will. Yo. Damn. R.I.P. It's truthfully been real, y'all. And this one look a little, uh, just like the Minecraft characters. Uh, there's no innuendos. Okay, so we have breakage structure. We have a doji rejection. We have candles closing within the zone. We have we are high. We have multiple breakage structure. EMA is lined up. Now let's see if the 1 hour looks bullish. I mean bearish. Um, Wait, okay. Don't even think about it. When you look at the 1 hour, does it look bullish or does it look bearish? It looks. Girl, I literally have no fucking idea. Okay, I'm about to miss this setup too because it's like I can't tell. I might not trade today because I literally like yes is bearish now, but overall it does look bullish. Like if I get my ass together, but it just broke structure. I don't know. I'm confused by price action. No cap, no cap. I ain't even gonna fraud. No reason to. I could have won like 3 times today, bro. Look at this. Okay. Okay, that's a W. I'm looking at this setup now. I'm looking at this setup. I'm looking at this. I'm not gonna do no guesswork. I'm looking at whatever price wants to show me. Okay, price is tapped into both zones. Let's talk about that. I'm looking at that. I'm looking at this setup, bruh. If it does me dirty, dog, I missed like 3 trades. All right, S&D, we got a gap, we got break of structure. I don't know about candles yet. We have the 50 EMA. I would say we have some confluence here because of the 1 hour. I would agree. And I would say also, so off rip, if it unless it like closes on me, I would say I would be taking this trade because this gives me an 80 already. We don't know if candles are going to close into the zone, but even if it doesn't, this is already B setup. Because let me check the 1 hour. Right, like we are bearish because we closed all the way over here. And yeah, like yeah. Even if it's just a little bit, I would say so. Yeah. And it's rejecting off of this key level right here. It doesn't want to go, so I'm gonna go and say bearish. Yeah, so that. So yeah, we're at 8 up a slate. But Checo. Right. Let's see if we can get a holler. So, brick structure, doji, rejection. The candles goes into the zone. There, I don't think we're too high. If this is a support and resistance, this is 85 because we don't know if there's any candle if the candle we don't know if the candle is gonna close into the zone. All right, let's pull the tool out. Let's pull the tool. So it's 19. This is on MES. What are saying? 19. 19. So I would be doing 3 contracts on this one. The contracts on this one. If I get a break of the candle, that's my. Ooh. All right. But not. Yes, but no. But I'm looking at MES. Main skis. Yeah. 3 contracts on there. I'm liking this one. Let's set it up on the gram. SPX for a sell, if you don't mind, mate. So we'll be going in on 3 contracts on this one. So we'll be going for that underneath this candle. Let's get a sell stop. Oh wait, let's zoom in. Cause you know how these niggas be. I'd rather be a little bit above than below and be done dirtied. Okay. Alright, so we have that. Ooh. Girl, every time I come back here and I see something on TradingView, I'm like, what is that? Who did that? What is that? Okay, we have less than 30 seconds left, depending on how it is. I don't even know what setup to consider this as, but it truthfully doesn't matter because this is already a B plus. Depending on what setup, like it's looking like no candles will close into the zone, but I don't assume. We do have 10 seconds left, but this looks like A plus setup. If especially if we get no candles closing the zone, which it looks like we will right here. So this is A plus setup. So let's see what happens on this one. If we can get a break. we can get a break. If we can get a break. No. Can we get a break? Do y'all like me? Are y'all mean? Y'all don't want to give me the breakity candy? The breakity candy? Sheesh. I mean, good eye on us for not taking it, Mac. Why did I not take it? We was just so high. Like, I just didn't vibe with it, bro. Like, it was just like not the vibe. But this one looks better. It's just not the vibe for me. Like, it's just not my vibe. It's just not it's not my forte. It's just not my forte. Je ne sais quoi, you know? It's just, it's just not my thing. It's just not my, it's just not my vibe. No shade. No shade. Bro, I be forgetting that this shit is recording. Like, this is how I am by myself. And it's just like, oh, it's probably so embarrassing. Okay. MAQ's setting up. Oh, MAQ just gave you break of the candle. Not MES though. Not MES though. First of all, something that's so dangerous that I don't fucking do that I should be doing more. We have unemployment claims at 8:30. Dude. How grand, you know? How spectacular. Spectacular. Ooh, Russ. Okay. I see you. I see you in the ICU. Damaged. Oh my gosh, my damn, MES the only one not breaking, bruh. Oh my god, I feel FOMO. Oh my god, I feel left out. Should I just go into this Russell trade that I've never traded in my entire life? Dude, if it's meant to be, then it will be, then it will be. Baby, then it will be. And we did lose previously. This win. Oh, mate, I literally thought it said, I literally thought it said my trade was like rejected. Dead ass. Like I was like, mate, what do you mean? What do you mean? Rejected. Explain. um, but I'm like, I have no sound in this jump. Got no sound in this biddy. Oh, and let's do buy stop. Wait, on all three, correct? Yes, ma'am. We're looking for go SPX. We're looking for 71, 25. Let's see if Price wants to bless us or makes me feel insecure. Don't know what for. When you walk into the door, I'm just making selling, myself. Alright. I mean, as of right now, mate, it looks good, but I'm not settled into it. Hits TP. I'm not happy. If it doesn't hit TP, I'm not happy. Bro. But if it loses, you know, like, I followed all of my rules, though. Yo, it's Thursday. I'm about to be here. It's gonna be a good time. Like it's gonna be a good time. Time. Ooh, let's just have a time. Miss Missouri. How you spell Missouri? Flights. Girl, I might just finesse my friends. Aha! No, you're bugging. I don't even know where I'm going. Wait, they got a ticket for 461. Why didn't y'all tell me? No, no, oh no. Why didn't y'all tell me? Ah, never mind. About to finesse my friends. Like, about to finesse my friends. Maybe you know pretend. Hey, maybe you know pretend. We gonna it is. We gonna get to the moon. I forgot we went it on. You know, so if we get stopped out bad, we get stopped out bad. That's okay. That's okay. Don't trade if you feel out of control. I feel in control. Why? Because I refuse to let my fears take control of me. I can admit that I'm scared, but I would be lying. I'm tired. Damn, no one loved to do me more dirty than the markets, bro. No one loved to do me more dirty or and bless me at the same time more than the markets. Yo, I swear, if they're waiting, bro, if they are waiting for 8:30, cause it better not be nothing happens till all this time, and then 8 o'clock comes and we get all this momentum, and then niggas start stalling, stop me out, tap the zone again, and then hit CP. I'm tired, bro. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. All right, we'll just keep it here. We'll just keep it here. We just keep it kosher. You know what it was, cuz. Maybe we should go for like a 1 to like something. Just a little bit more. 71, 23. We should go for this because it will allow us to cover the loss from Tuesday with like also like a little bit more. Where's my phone? Where is my phone? Where's my phone? I have this phone, but where's the other phone? Oh man, I can't get it. You know, it's probably for the best. You know, let me chill. Let me put on some meditation music. I don't know why. I think it's because it's connected to the other, but that's okay. If that's the case, then put it in my headphones. I'll never be too far. I don't even know. I was talking about something completely different. I was talking about high school. I was talking about middle school and shitty grades, but then popping out. But yeah, man, it's so crazy how I used to question my self-worth like all the time. And it's not to say I don't do that at all, but it's significantly minimized, like significantly. Put this on, bro. Yes, sir. Get the meditations. But yeah, it was So, oh, hold on. This is TP1. I'm going for like a little bit above it. If price hits TP, I'm moving my stop loss. Since this is an A plus setup, I'm moving my stop loss midway. Let's say that's probably midway, so that I can reach that little bit. But that's only if price hits TP first, TP1. So if that's the case, then I would be moving my stop loss. Just so it would reduce the amount of risk that I have on the table. So 19 divided by, so I've, let's just say, a, so that would be only $30. $853.75. 853.75. Oh shit, that's actually on the right one. So yeah, we just give me my guts. Got, 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 got. I'll never be too far. Okay, well, this is how they played with me on Tuesday, dog. It was like, oh, we there. And then it's like mad rejections, doesn't want to hit TP, might hit TP. You're there like, but yeah, always got to be prepared. Always got to know that, anything can happen. And just because it's an A plus setup, that doesn't mean it's going to hit TP. So that's the sad part. It's like you can do everything right, you can follow your rules, and it could be the 100% A plus 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 setup, and your ass could still lose. But shit, all I think about are UFC fighters who train for like, or just MMA fighters. They just train for what, like 10, 13, 16 weeks for a fight that lasts between 15 to 25 minutes. Like, imagine training all those months for a fight that's the same, length of a TV show, of a comedy TV show, right? Maybe even less. And it's like you could still lose. You went through all the basic training, you went through the conditioning, you made sure that you had the best nutrition, you did everything right, right? And then you get onto the pitch, you get into the octagon, and that shit is ass. All right, let's see what's going down. Okay, TP1 just hit. TP1 just hit, moving it a little bit up. And then we're just holding for just a little bit more. Not greedy, not greed, but I believe in myself. I believe in my abilities. This is an A plus setup. So I want to give it the respect that I deserve, that I believe that it deserves. We're going to hold just a little bit more so that we can cover our losses. I believe in myself. I believe in my setups. I believe in trading. What am I looking for? 23.86. I'm holding. So I see $86. I'm holding. My stop loss has been sent up, brought up. 58.61, 58. Yeah, actually, yeah. Oh, oh shit. Damn it, it hit it, but I missed it. Let's be calm, let's be patient, and believe. Okay, I'm out. What? Are you kidding me? Oh my god, bro. What did I even do? Whatever, whatever, whatever. $75. Okay. What did I even do? What did I even do? What did I even do? What did I click on that would even make it seem that I wanted to add more positions? Unbelievable. I'm so pissed off. What was that? And that shit was recorded. What was that, bro? I'm so pissed off. I'm so pissed off. What the fuck was that, bro? Like, what was that? All I clicked, all I clicked was the X button. I'm so pissed. Whatever. All right, y'all. The footage is recorded. We saw it with our own eyes. I know, hey, I can take responsibility of all of my actions. But I know that I didn't do, all I clicked was the exit button. All I clicked was the X button. Whatever. Anyway, this broker is just weird, bro. All right, we're out of here. These people on some bullshit. So we made 75. Should have been 86. But you know what? Whatever. Maybe I did something. Who knows? Okay, but listen, TP was hit. It was a little bit above this, so can't complain too hard. But yeah, honestly, yeah, like, oh, I should have held, and it's just like, dog, it is what it is, bro. We covered our loss from Tuesday and then some, so we did hold. I could have held more, of course. It's an A+ setup. I could have gone for a 1 to 2, man. I could have gone for a 1 to 2, and price would have hit TP. Like, it looks like it's about to hit 1 to 2 right now. So it is what it is. There'll be plenty of other setups. The only things that I will have to say is I am so fucking proud of myself for, let's start from the beginning, bro. Thinking about this setup, putting it into, let's invert it. Thinking about this setup initially, thinking about it, putting it into our trading plan. It's saying it's a 70. We're not taking 70s anymore. We're only shooting for 80, a score of 80 and up. And look at what that did for us. This would have been a trade I would have taken last week, but after, back testing for as long as I have, just for this week and that weekend, we're up 88 trades in total. And I've just noticed that, like, yo, like, I should just be going for B setups. I'm a B student, right? I'm not happy if I get a C. If I get a B, like an 80, I'm content. I'm happy. I did that shit. If I get an 80 and up, I did that shit. If I get a 75, yeah, I didn't fail, but I didn't pass the way that I would like to have passed. I'm a B student, bro. B student, B plus, B and up student. So I gotta, why would I not do the same in trading? I just realized that it was a bunch of FOMO that was connected to, let me take this off, because these niggas is getting on my nerves. I don't want to look at these charts, bro. I mean, not these charts, but and also let me save it. Now that I'm thinking about it, I'm like, it's a B+ setup, as A+ setup, and we didn't hold like longer. Now you see, you don't know what's gonna happen, but it's just like, damn. I mean, I'm glad that I gave my trade the respect that it needs, not setting my shit to TP. I mean, stop break even. But yeah, I'm just so proud of us, bro. Like, we're really gonna be a full-time trader. It's actually insane. Put that in the W's in the chat, and we could put that a part of our back test. Our back testing thing. Let me put that in there. Back testing thing. And it's a W. W's in the chat. Haha. Alright, so let's see what our win rate is right now. So So, as of right now, our win rate is still 70%. And because of that win, it boosted 70% for 85% plus setups. And then it is a 67% as of right now for trades that are scored in 80 and up. So I have two things here, like win rate on 85% and up setups or 70%, and then win rates on just there's 80% and up from there is 67. So obviously, I win more when it's just A plus setups that I'm dealing with, or B plus. You know what I fucking mean. Like, anyway. But yeah, awesome. I feel proud of myself for sticking to my rules, staying disciplined, and understanding that I am a consistently profitable trader. I I will achieve time freedom, bro. I will achieve time freedom. Like, I am a consistently profitable trader, man. The only thing is, like, I don't have my music studio yet, but that's in the future. I will have my own music studio. So let's just say it all. I am a consistently profitable trader. I will have my own music studio and I will achieve time freedom. All right. All right. Let's get the fuck out of here. Oh.